how to withdraw Notcoin. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just open up the exchange of your choice where you want to send your Notcoin. Suppose I want to send my Notcoin to Binance. I would simply open up Binance, then open up my wallets and click on this option of deposit. Then here I need to search for Notcoin and select it. Then select the option of Toncoin over here, then click on OK, and after that it will give you this particular address and memo for your Notcoin. Simply copy this particular deposit address and then open up your Tonchain wallet. It can be any wallet. I will open up the Telegram wallet. On your Telegram wallet, simply open up the Toncoin and click on it, then select the option of send. After that, you need to paste the address that we just copied from Binance. You can copy this particular address from any exchange out there where you want to receive the Notcoin. And after that, make sure that you put the memo as well. You can check out the memo here. Just simply copy this particular memo and paste it. Make sure that you enter all the details correctly. Otherwise, your funds will get lost and you might not be able to recover them if you don't do it properly. So make sure that you do it properly. After copying the address and memo and pasting it on the Tonchain for your Notcoin, just simply click on send and you would be able to receive it quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.